Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 18th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the daily time frame. So on gold, my overall bias on like the very high time frames, like daily, weekly, is definitely still down for a wave Y to finish off this wave 4. But it does look like we possibly are going to make another leg to the upside to finish off probably like a 1, 2, 3 before we actually do make that bigger drop. So anyways, taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame and zooming out a little bit. To me, I've been saying for a while, this looks like a wave A. This looks like it's going to make three waves down to a fib level for a wave B, which it just missed the fib by just a little bit. But definitely when I see it get that close and like a nice engulfing up like it did, definitely looks to me like the end of a wave B. Most likely this is going to go up towards these highs right here for a wave C before it actually ends up reversing much bigger to the downside for that higher time frame move to the downside I was showing you on the daily. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.